Good morning, y'all. You know, one of the favorite appetizers at Uncle Bubba's, the Creek House, and the Lady and Sons, one of the favorite things in the way of appetizers people liked was the fried dill pickles. And now you can go in any restaurant and you more than likely gonna find fried dill pickles. Now I've got some beautiful thick pickles here that have been sliced with a design on it. And these are just regular dill pickles. Now, I've got some buttermilk here. I've got some of my hot sauce. Gonna put a little drop of hot sauce in there. I'm going to put some pepper. And now in this bowl, I have flour that I'm going to add pan coat to. And did I tell y'all I was cooking this in the air fryer? And to me, pan coat is the secret because pan coat gives it that crunch that I love. So I'm going to come over here, Eddie, and I'm going to turn on the air fryer and heat it up because I want it to be hot when I put the pickles in the basket. All right. So in my liquid, I've got pepper, hot sauce, a teaspoon of garlic powder, just want to mix that up real good. I'm going to put a little salt. Remember, dill pickles are real salty, so I'm going to add a little sauce to my pan coat and my flour mixture. Now, pan coat will stick a lot better, y'all, if you cut it with flour. So that's what we're going to do. Now, I'm going to toss these in just plain flour. And these are those good dill pickles that have dill. It really has a fresh dill in it. All that stuff. All right, so I'm going to toss them in flour. And then I'm going to run them through the buttermilk.
This is a great tailgating recipe.
Yeah, if you got all the stuff to do it with, it is, isn't it?
Because you could do them and bring them out hot.
Uh-huh. Yeah. All right, so now I'm tossing it in the flour and the panko. And once again, I'm trying to use the smallest bowl I can find. All right, so see how that panko and that flour is sticking to those so nicely? And by putting it in the flour first, it helps all of that to stick. Toast. And you can do all this ahead of time. And you could put these in the refrigerator if you wanted to and just let them sit until you're ready to fry them. When your family is ready for them. Let's see, is that one or two pickles? Yep, that was two. And I'll keep, because of the moisture, I'll keep having to add more flour and panko to this. So y'all can imagine how easy this would be if you're expecting guests to do this ahead of time. And that's a piece of deal. And just being able to walk to your refrigerator, pull these out. Now, before we put these in the air fryer, we're going to want to spray them. And this helps them get real crispy. And when we turn them, we'll spray the other side. And don't be scared. Don't be scared of this. Our air fryer is nice and hot. Now I'm going to spray this so our pickles won't stick. because if they stick, they're going to lose all their crust. Perfect. All right, so I'm going to set it on like 10 minutes. All right, y'all, this is it. Fried dill pickles. I do want to say, though, when you spray your dill pickles, I have decided that I like spraying them with the olive oil spray much better than the butter spray. They seem to get crispier with this. And, you can always fry these in a little oil. So I put the regular dill pickles that I started with here. I have homemade honey mustard. And I have the fried dill pickles, which I don't know how hot they are. Crunch. That crunch is that panko, y'all. Do y'all mind if I double dip?
Not at all.
Okay, thank you. Teresa.
You're good.
Mm-hmm.
You know, when Eddie digs in behind the camera, it's got to be.
The sweet and the honey mustard. It's just good. All right, so now I'm going to try this.
Those are some of the best fried pickles I've had.
Really?
I think it's because of the coating.
Well, thank you. So, I will tell y'all this. Some things cook better in an air fryer than other things. But try it both ways. Just follow the way I did it. Cook it on top of your stove in a little vegetable oil, or try your air fryer. But remember, this is the important part when it's in the air fryer. Keep turning them and spraying them. Well, then, best dishes to all of you pickles out there, all you pickle lovers.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.